This is my first time. I'm using my Cuisinart slow cooker. Can't call it a crock pot because trademark. To the left is a button that says on off. To the right is a button that says select. You have the option of high, low, simmer, warm. The first three are green, the last one, the warm, is red. We're going to leave it at simmer. We're going to let it simmer. Every time you press the up button, it gains 30 minutes. I got this at 17 hours. That's 5. We're going to set it at 18 hours. That's cool. 3 6-hour increments. And it starts blinking and it starts counting down. So in 18 hours, my chili will be done. And I think it automatically goes into the warming mode from what I read. So after 18 hours, the red light will come on just to keep it warm. And I've been cooked with a crock pot, or a slow cooker. Sorry, don't want to get a trademark infringement. Get enough copyrights. But this is the most colorful chili you'll probably see on YouTube. And it's delicious and it's healthy. Sorry I use ground beef, but normally I do it with turkey meat, which makes it the healthiest chili on the planet. Love you.